So I just started doing something for my business that I always do, and I thought you guys might like this quick tip. Hi, this is Rhonda, and today I want to show you how to save your TikToks and be able to download them without the watermark. Now, this is extremely important for when you are reposting your TikToks. If you're posting them to Instagram Reels or Instagram Stories, maybe you're posting them to YouTube Shorts or even your Facebook Stories. It's much better to have that watermark off. So first, you're going to open up your TikTok app. I am going to go to my TikToks. Okay, this is my page. I'm going to pick a TikTok that I want to download. So I'm going to take this one. You're going to click on these three dots and you're going to hit copy link. Okay, then you're going to exit out of TikTok and you're going to go to this other app called 𝐘𝐨𝐲. Now remember the name of it, and it is black with that little banner on it. It's called 𝐘𝐨𝐲. So when you open up 𝐘𝐨𝐲, you're going to paste, and it pasted my thing that I just copied, and there it is. It pops right up. You can download it with no watermark, download with a watermark, or see all video details, go to video. So I'm going to download with no watermark. Going to give it a few seconds, depending how long it is. It's going to say your video is downloaded. Great. So now I'm going to show you. I am going to go into my photos on my phone. And here at the bottom, that's what just downloaded. As you can see, there is no watermark on this video. So that is how you are going to save your TikTok videos without that TikTok watermark, because if you use your videos with that watermark, some of the other platforms will not push your video out. So it's extremely important to get that watermark off of your videos. Once again, just to show you again, the name of that app is called 𝐘𝐨𝐲, 𝐘𝐨𝐲. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you are enjoying my videos, please follow me on whatever platform that you are seeing this video. Thanks and have a great day.